Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. In this video I will show you this simple circuit to test 555 timers. The 555 is a timer IC that lets you create a pulse or a train of pulses of a specified frequency and period. The 555 has two modes of operation. It can work as an astable multi-vibrator, which means that we can create a train of pulses of a specified frequency and width of pulse, which is controlled by the components that we use on our circuit. And it can also work as a monostable multi-vibrator, which lets you create a single pulse of a specified width. Here is the test circuit. The timer is connected as an astable multi-vibrator, which means that it will produce a train of pulses. This will make the LED to turn on and off approximately once per second. And this frequency is controlled by this capacitor and these resistors. Here we can see how to identify the pin numbering of the 555. Here we can see the circuit on breadboard. It is a good idea to use an IC base in order to place and take out your IC easily. And now let's test this IC. I'm going to connect the power supply. Between 6 and 15 volts is okay. And you should see that the LED must flash in this way. If your LED stays on or does not turn on, that means that your timer is faulty. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for your visit. I hope you liked this video and that this circuit be useful to you. Thank you and see you in the next video.